Horns up, Dusters. We are on a magical journey together. And today we might as well call this an international version of this Duster Club, because we're going to talk about some interesting stories, big news stories from around the world that are going to impact unicorn fart dust. But first, thank you for being here, my Duster diamond hooved friends. Man, we are on such an exciting journey. And as time goes by, as our community continues, and that's you, right? This does not happen without you. As we continue to evolve, continue to grow, the strong base nucleus that you have established will lead us to heights that really are unlimited. We have unlimited potential. There's nothing stopping us, right, from being as big or bigger than any other meme coin, and who knows where we can go from there. But first, my disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Don't make any financial decisions based on anything that I say. I'm not a financial advisor. However, my horn and your horn are aligned, right? We both believe in the future of UFD. And what you're showing me day by day by day, right? Grit, right? Let's face it, guys. It's not always easy, right? Doing something on a long-term basis. Remember, when I sat down here at the very beginning of this journey, I told you guys, this is a long-term situation. So day by day, with your grit, your passion, your determination, our shared beliefs, as we build this community little by little, hoof by hoof, one hoof at a time, we are making progress every day. We get more and more and more diamond hoof dusters. You know the story. Soon we'll have a bean shortage. Then we'll have a beanopoly. And, you know, look, if the basic laws of economics don't get like miraculously changed, we're in for some prosperity as well. We stand for good attracts good. We stand for honesty, integrity, prosperity, transparency, family, treating people the way that we want to be treated. So let's go out. Let's start looking at some of the interesting information. Well, we got big news. Big news, Dusters. Okay. Yeah, we know we got Kraken listing this week, tier 1 listing, but we have another listing as of yesterday that I want to share with you. And this one came from Weeks. Have you heard of Weeks? Do you know who Weeks is? Well, here we go. Weeks put this out. I'll tell you who they are here in just 1 second. New listing alert on Weeks. We're excited to announce the initial futures listings of a number of different meme coins, up to including right here, UFD. So we are now listed on Weeks, okay? A futures listing. Okay, who is Weeks? Let's go take a quick look. I asked, what was it, ChatGPT. Weeks is a big centralized cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018, headquartered in Singapore, offering spot and futures trading with leverage up to 200x. It supports over 600 cryptos and provides services like copy trading and OTC trading. Weeks is known for its strong security measures, including a 1,000 Bitcoin user protection fund and regulatory registrations with FinTrack in Canada, FinCEN in the United States, competitive fees, allows high withdrawal limits without KYC. Its user-friendly platform and robust security make it a popular choice for traders worldwide. So are you getting the feeling like this is happening on a worldwide basis, but we're getting more and more exchanges that are listing unicorn fart dust? Weeks is just the most recent. You know the big list of others, and there will be more to come. Potentially even additional tier 1 listings. So right now, as we are, guys, do you feel it when it comes to our coin price, our bean price? Like we're building a solid base. Let's go take a look at the chart of unicorn fart dust. And I want to point out a couple things to you. Let's update it. Let's see where we are. Right. Yeah, we've been hovering around this 5.5 cent area lately. Let's go to a 1-month chart. I just want to point out something very optimistic that's working in our favor right now. Okay. When we go all the way back here and draw a trend line, we are still in an upward trend line. Now, look, you know the reality of what's happened to most every other meme coin, and this is a 30-day. Right now, what we're looking at is a 1 month, a 30-day chart. If you pull up any other meme coin, most any other crypto, okay, you aren't going to see this. You aren't going to see green, and you're not going to see an upward trend. Unfortunately, what you're going to see with them is more of a line like this, right? That goes down, basically in a downward fashion. So I know that the last several weeks, we've been holding strong from a price perspective. But in relative terms, in real terms, based on what's happened out there in the overall crypto market, we are doing just fine, okay? Another big story from around the world. Let's go take a look at this. When it comes to crypto, we're getting more and more good stories on a regular basis. And hold on here. Make sure I have you on the right screen, which I do. Okay. My friend Connector put this in our Discord, recommended this story. Deutsche Bank. Now, if you don't know who Deutsche Bank is, they're like the biggest German bank, or a massive German bank. I'm not sure. I believe they're the biggest, but Deutsche Bank is like JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs in the United States. They said yesterday, get a load of this, Bitcoin is like gold, and the U.S. Reserve could set global standings. Guys, we got news the other day from Japan proposing to change the capital gains tax on crypto. We got news from Spain. They're one of their biggest banks, now allowing their customers to trade in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The world, it's like the dominoes are falling, is waking up to crypto. And hey, I love gold and silver. You know that, okay? I believe gold and silver in particular are really the original cryptocurrencies, okay? But what's interesting to think is that they're now calling Bitcoin digital gold. And I don't think that's competition for gold or silver for that matter. And I'm going to tell you something super interesting about what's going on in the gold market right now that I think foretells very good things for the overall crypto market as we move into the coming months, quarters, and years. Deutsche Bank compares Bitcoin to gold in terms of value storage. A U.S. strategic Bitcoin reserve could set global standards. Institutional adoption of Bitcoin continues to rise. We won't go through the rest of this article, but this came from our friends over at Binance. Now, what's interesting, guys, look, precious metals, gold and silver, here's a piece of silver. I believe silver is the original, I've said this for years, the original cryptocurrency, okay? Gold, same thing. We know they're saying Bitcoin is digital gold. Gold investors and silver investors and crypto investors share so much in common in terms of their views, in terms of why they buy what they buy. It doesn't matter that at the end, crypto people prefer electronic and gold and silver want the physical. We're not going to argue that, okay? There's a lot of people now that are coming together, right? Just people that are saying, we just don't want to be in the fiat money system. But what's interesting is that right now, as we speak, let me see if I can pull this up. Bear with me for just 1 second. Something very interesting is happening in the gold market. And I've heard several smart people, and I would also agree with what they're saying, talk about the fact that the the gold market often leads the crypto market. And what we're seeing right now, hold on here. Let's see if I can pull this up. In gold, yep, here we go. I'm going to pull this up for you. Let me get back to you over here. This is really important for us to look at. This is a chart of the gold market. Look, gold is at $2,985. I've got a text this morning from our friend Saf who said, gold, all-time highs, gold, all-time highs. I was recommending gold to people when it was $1,600 an ounce. I can attest. This is all-time high levels for gold. Silver is doing pretty well also. Let me see if I can get silver up there. Silver was hovering around $33 per ounce. But what's important to look at on this chart is that gold is breaking out, okay? And that gold will, there's a 1-year chart of gold. As you can see from left to right, the price just keeps getting higher and higher. And what we're going to see, right, is the situation unfold where I believe, just my opinion, don't make any financial decisions based on anything I'm saying, but I believe that the precious metals, gold in particular, will lead the crypto higher. Where do you think we're going to be 6 months from now? I think we're going to have much, much higher prices in both the crypto and the precious metals markets. Let's talk about Burger Man. Remember, around the world, right? People are embracing unicorn fart dust and doing great deeds. I want to pull up for you right now the latest from our friend in the Philippines, the Burger Man, and show you what he's doing. This time, was he not only out giving away burgers, but I think, right? I think we're going to look here. He was all okay. So here he is. Hold on. Hello, Burger Man. So Burger Man's at it again. Good attracts good. Okay, I'm going to fast forward a little bit. There's Burger Man. Look at that. We got a new duster. Thanks to Burger Man. Look at the smiles. Look at the smiles. Uh-oh. Hold on. Did I screw that up? I can't believe I screwed that up. I did screw that up. I got it. Sorry, wrong. I know. I'm back. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. I screwed it up. There's Burger Man.
While I'm selling my Pop Mart items, and today I'll be doing it again, but
I
with a
apologize,
twist.
Duster.
This is all for the UFD
Too many
community,
buttons to
all
push.
the love, because good attracts good, right? Please finish this video and join me today.
Okay.
UFD.
He gave out burgers. He's giving out UFDs.
Thank you, Ross.
Welcome to the herd. Welcome to the
Thank
herd.
you, UFD, and thank you, Sir Ross.
Thank you. Look at her.
Thank you, UFD. Thank you, Ross.
You're welcome. Look at this.
Thank you, UFD.
New dusters.
Thank you, UFD.
New
Thank you, Ross.
dusters.
Thank you, UFD. Thank you, Ron.
Thank you, UFD.
Thank you, Burger
Thank
Man.
you, UFD. Thank you, Ron. Thank you, UFD. Thank you, UFD. Thank you, Ron.
There's another one. All right. Let's go back. Sorry about that, guys. I forgot to share the right screen, but you're getting used to that by now. Burger Man, thank you very much. This is going on around the world. That's in the Philippines. I think he said he had like signed up like 7 or 8, almost 10 new dusters. So think about that. Out of those 10 dusters, if 3 of those dusters, right, become diamond hooved, which we know they will, maybe they all will, and they bring in another 3 or 4 dusters, and those people bring in more dusters. It's happening all over the place. It's happening all over the world, which brings me to my next point. Today, right, every day we do Duster of the Day. Somebody's always doing something awesome. You're doing something awesome. I'm down here working, doing the live streams. We got people working everywhere for UFD. UFD, right? We're going to the moon. But nonetheless, every day we like to draw attention to one special duster. And today's Duster of the Day comes all the way from Africa. Like, look, we're growing in India. We're growing in the Philippines. We're growing in the United States. We're growing in Europe. But also Africa. The cool thing about crypto, guys, about UFD, right? Those people in the Philippines that you just saw from Burger Man, those people in Africa, all over Africa, everybody gets access to the exact same UFD. We are a fair and level playing field everywhere in the world for all people. And there's very little barrier to entry. Think about that. Think about the potential every day. Oh, it's time. Every day. Every day. We got to shake the beans. I'm sorry. Every day we're adding new people, and this one's from Africa. Let's talk about that right now. The duster of the day. Hold on here. Today's duster of the day, and I will share the right screen, is our friend Ez the Duster. And all you got to do is take a quick look at his timeline. I mean, look at this. All right. Let's talk about UFD and this incredible community. Look at the smiles on their faces. Look at the post that he's putting out. Okay. But more importantly, I want to read to you what he had to say, because this is coming to us, unless I'm really screwed up, from Africa. And here we go. We got the right screen from Ez the Duster. Hey, Ron, hope you're doing awesome down there in the basement. I sent you a message a while back, but I'm guessing it got buried. Figured I'd hit you up again because so much has gone down since then, and I've been meaning to shout out how much I believe in you, Susie, and he's talking to you here, the UFD community. Last time I wrote, I was speaking from the X Space with Chris Jordan and you, where I got to mention that I'm from the Horn of Africa, is a region in the easternmost part of African continent, which includes countries like Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea, who one of my best friends across the street named Ozzy is from Eritrea, and Djibouti. It was great telling everyone how this project's pulling in folks from every corner of the globe. That's the magic of Unicorn Fartas, Ron. It's not just a coin, it's a movement. Since then, woo, I've been through some stuff. That wallet hack, gut punch, crypto market flipping out, stressful as heck. But you know what? I wasn't even sweating it deep down. I've been rock solid on UFD from the jump, and damn if this community didn't prove why. The way everyone rallied to raise all the funds stolen from you, every single cent, was unreal. Then the 150K market maker fundraise, straight out of this world. And now Kraken listing UFD on spot trading. Ron, that was the cherry on top. I was grinning ear to ear when I saw that drop. This community's got heart. Ron, I've linked up with so many cool people from all over, men and women who've got your back no matter what. In a crypto world full of shady rug pulls and fake promises, UFD is the real deal. That's why I'm still here, diamond hooved and proud, holding tight. I said it before, I'll say it again. This coin's got unlimited potential. Unlimited potential. Sorry, I won't shake the beans again. With you and Susie pouring your souls into it, this community hyping it up, I'm calling it now top meme coin market cap, no doubt in my mind. Thanks for keeping the faith, Ron, from the basement, and Susie from upstairs. You've built something legit special, and I'm excited to see where this unicorn's developing next. Cheers. Ez Duster, X-handled Awabizu. Okay, so let's go back and say thank you, my friend. I mean, I think he summed it up. You guys do. I ask you to write a little something, and everybody just write something. Do you notice that? That is so inspiring and sums up what is going on with UFD. Ez the Duster, thank you for all you're doing. You're special. Everyone in this community is special, but today's your day. You win the golden horn. Let's put it on there. Good for you, buddy. You got it. Okay. Let's look at a fun cartoon here. Hold on. There we go. Stacking beans. This one came from System Error. I thought this was a really great cartoon. There's the jug. Hey, Ledger at the top. Awesome. Love it. Our sponsor, Ledger, 999 million. Diamond hooves, right? The beans. It's called the unicorn. This is the unicorn. I forgot to share it. There we go. There's the jug. I apologize. There's the 999 million beans. Unicorn Fart Bank. And on the monitor, it says the great bean shortage. How much for bean these days? And the banker says, did you not see the news? Right? There's the great bean shortage, the beanopoly. I love it. What a great cartoon. Because guys, we can joke around all we want, have fun, and build the community and everything else. And that's number one priority. However, right, the byproduct, the important byproduct of that is that we can create a bean shortage with diamond hooves, right? And that's what we're doing. There's also our sponsor, MoonPay, down in the corner. I love when you guys integrate the sponsors into our art, and there's wonderful, beautiful art going on out there. The other thing I want to mention, guys, we talk about other platforms. How about TikTok? Are you on TikTok? Are you following us on TikTok? Because we are growing on TikTok, and I want to say A special thanks to Crip Wizard and Lou from the Zoo. Lou from the Zoo. We love you. He's handling a lot of our socials now, I think Instagram, TikTok. So thank you, Lou. Thank you very much. And guys, come on. That's where we're on Kraken, right? We got a tier 1 listing. Come on. Let's get out on these other platforms. Reddit, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, just to name a few. We're everywhere. We've got great growth potential in those areas to get the word out to more and more. Buttercups. I don't think I said that yet today. The Buttercups, we're coming for you, right? And we're doing, the thing is we can feel good about what we're doing because this is a community based on friendship, acceptance, belonging, shared belief in the idea, our creed, right? Our creed, what's our creed? You know the creed? Good attracts good. And why is that so important? Because in the long run, good always wins. Good always pays off. And that's what we're doing right here. And that's what we will continue to do. On that note, let's see how we're doing out there in the world of social dominance. It's time for our daily. What's this? Did I already share this? Wait a minute. Did I screw something up here? Oh, wait, we got a song. Hold on here. Share this tab. We'll see if I can figure this out. You guys love watching me struggle, right? Sure. Here we go. Hey, let's listen to this. Listen to this. Just for, let's take a deep breath. Relax.
Through the highs and the lows we stand tall, holding the line, never letting it fall. From every city, every shore, dusters rise forevermore.
Dusters rise
We
forevermore.
are one.
We are one.
Hearts ignite, riding waves, shining bright. UFD unity, family destiny, bound by
This is really
fire,
cool.
strong and free.
Right? We were born in Thud.
UFD unity, family destiny, we hold the future, you and me. Together we are meant to be.
Wow, this is a good song.
Unstoppable, just wait and see.
Unstoppable, just wait and see. Let's go, UFD. Let's
No
go.
chains can hold, no fear can
Wow.
break. The dusters move, the earth will shake.
Look at us all
Through
around.
every storm,
bottom
we
there, the
light the way. Tomorrow's ours, we lead today. We are one, hearts ignite, riding
ignite.
waves, shining bright. UFD unity, family destiny.
I like that. UFD, unity, family, and destiny. I mean, that is really something. One of the dusters, and you guys, look, we've got great artists. We got NFT artists. We got artists making movie posters. Simon, I think, and we've got artists making all types of wonderful memes. We've got artists making music. I mean, guys, this is real. This is real. What other? I'm sorry. Think about this, what this means, why that makes us the #1 coin. The special situation, right? I don't see other coins that have people making these songs about them. I don't see that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe I'm living in a unicorn fart dust bubble. Maybe I'm living in a bubble full of unicorn fart dust. I don't know. Maybe I need to get a carbon monoxide detector down here in the basement, but I don't see it. I don't see any other meme coin doing that. Okay. And that is like important. That's what it's all about. I mean, it is crazy what you guys are doing, and it's showing right here. Let's go out and check. Another one of the many community members who's working all the time, Emma. We do our daily Emma update. Yesterday marked 25 consecutive days with UFD being in the social dominance top 10, and we moved up to 8th place. Okay, there we are again. Okay, and look. I could be wrong, and nothing against, because I don't really know, but I feel like we have a very solid opportunity in front of us right now to go into this zone, to be in this top, what is that? Top 5, guys. We can do it. Okay. Steady, consistent grit, effort. I know you feel like me. You believe in the future of UFD, the unlimited potential. Okay. I know that you share the same beliefs with the other people in our community, that good attracts good, that we can win because we've got a fair level playing field. If you're in Africa, if you're in Asia, if you're in South America, if you're in North America, if you're in Greenland, I don't care where you are, Antarctica, Arctica, I think I named them all, Europe, everybody's got the same opportunity. Everybody. And everybody also has the same opportunity to contribute, right? Use your talents, use your skills, right? Try something. If it doesn't work, that's okay. The only failure is in not trying. So if in your heart you have an idea that you think, I want to try this, whatever, everything matters. Everything matters. Let's keep it up, guys. You're doing a great job. Here's a funny from Susie. I'm going to hit that button, and then I'm going to hit that button. And I'm going to share this. All right. Yes, I'll ring the bell. Yes. Oh, I forgot to put Grandpa's clock on top of the jug. This came from our friend P, who pointed out this amazing art from RBIL, RBIL 267860. Look at this art. I mean, look at that. Is so cool. Oh, look. Those are people's whatever. What is that called? Personal profile. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. Oh, there's our guitar. There's Crypt Wizard. Oh my gosh, I didn't notice this. Look, there's all kinds of people's little profile. There's a name for that. I don't know it. I apologize. That is really awesome. And I think this is in conjunction with the overnight spaces that's going on. Guys, Crypto Art is running a spaces that like runs through the night. And what's so important there is, number one, it's like the unicorn never sleeps. Think about that. The unicorn never sleeps. And on top of that, that gives people all throughout the world, in Australia, Asia, different time zones, the opportunity for dusters to come together, but also an opportunity to talk to a lot of buttercups. I know Dark Dusters in there, sometimes recruiting people. And hey, we love other communities, right? Absolutely. Absolutely. When they show up, we want them to feel welcome, right? And we want to show them how bright our horns are, because our horns are bright. All right, guys. The other thing, I got to tell you, I'm excited. I'm not a professional sports or a sports guy. I did play soccer in college on a full ride athletic scholarship, but my alma mater, I got the biggest underdog basketball team ever last night. I rubbed this before the game, okay? And the DePaul University Blue Demons beat the Georgetown Hoyas, right? They were big underdogs, the Blue Demons, in the Big East Conference. Like I said, I don't really follow sports, but tonight they play Creighton, and they're even bigger underdogs. But I'm telling you, we are the underdogs. I say, look, if you're into sports at all, let's get behind these Blue Demons. If they win tonight, it's game over. It could be the Cinderella story of the decade, of the century. Okay. Hey, thanks for being here. I think that's it for today, guys. You are special. Thank you. Okay. We get together, we have some fun. This is a long-term journey together, day by day, one hoof at a time, one diamond hoof at a time. We are going places where they're not like us, right? Like Kendrick Lamar says, right? We are, don't forget, this is the unicorn. This is the unicorn of the crypto world. We're more like Bitcoin than we are different, right? We're more like Bitcoin than most meme coins, in my silly opinion. But that's the way it is. And as we go day by day by day, it takes grit, okay? It takes determination. It takes real, strong, long-term commitment. But that's what the core group, our core family has. And our core family, little by little by little, expands every day, right? And guys, don't forget, we've just went through a very difficult period in the cryptocurrency sector. All right. And why is it important that we remember that? Because we need to remember that through that, we remain strong. I mean, we just got through a $1 million hack. And then the next thing that happens is like the worst crypto downturn in the history of the universe, I heard someone say. I don't know. I haven't been around crypto that long, but it's definitely a downturn. But the important thing for you to remember is that you survived through it. We survived through it. How? As a family, as a group. And we will continue to do that as we head into the future. It's always just one day at a time. It's always one hoof at a time. It's always right now. So if you get the feeling, or even if you want to stand up to a commitment that you made to yourself, try to do something for the UFD community, for the family. We're all here for each other. If you need help, ask for help from people. If you need support, if you've got a business, that's a big way that we can grow our community, is by helping each other. It feels good to help other people. I feel good after being down here with you. You know, I'm here every day. We're friends. Hello, friends, all over the world. I mean, literally, we've got over 1,000 people on the live stream right now, and thousands more will watch it today. We are connected. Feel it in your horn, right? I can feel it in my horn. You have a great day. Be good to yourself, okay? And I will see you next time. Let's go, you.